Hello, hello, little stars. Clap your hands wherever you are. Jump up high, touch the sky. Are you ready? Say oh my. Look outside, what do you see? Is it sunny? Come tell me. Cloudy, rainy, windy too. Let's learn weather, me and you.
Sunny day, bright and warm, golden mane in every form. Wear your hat and smile wide. Let's go play outside.
Rainy day, drip, drop, drop. Water falling, plop, plop, plop. Take umbrella, jump in puddle. Splash, splash, giggle, giggle. Weather changes every day. Sunny, rainy, that's okay. Look outside and you will see weather fun for you and me. Cloudy clouds up so high, floating softly in the sky. Big and fluffy, hot and gray. Clouds are playing all the day.
Windy day,
Windy day,
whoosh whoosh sound.
leaves are dancing all around. Hold your hat and spin around. Feel the breeze without a sound.
Hi!
Now we know the weather today. Sunny, windy, hip hooray. Clap your hands and shout out loud. You made little dream world proud.
Don't forget